Welcome back to Sankap Sarap TV, where simple ingredients turn into irresistible, restaurant-style dishes. Today, we're making chicken popcorn fast food style. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and perfectly seasoned bite-sized chicken that's so addictive, you won't stop at one. Stay until the end because I'll show you the secret to getting that extra crispy coating that stays crunchy even after cooling. Let's get cooking! Ingredients: 1 kilogram chicken breast or thigh fillet, cut into bite-sized cubes. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon calamansi juice, or lemon juice as substitute. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, optional, for extra flavor. 1 cup all-purpose flour. Half a cup cornstarch, for extra crispiness. 1 teaspoon baking powder, for a lighter, crunchier texture. 1 teaspoon paprika, optional, for color and flavor. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons water. Cooking oil, for deep frying. Procedure: combine chicken, salt, pepper, soy sauce, calamansi juice, and garlic powder. Marinate for 30 minutes to 2 hours. Mix flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, pepper, and paprika in a bowl. Beat eggs with water in a separate bowl. Dip chicken in flour mixture. Dip into egg wash. Coat again with flour mixture. Heat oil over medium heat. Fry chicken in batches, do not overcrowd. Cook until golden brown and crispy. Drain on paper towels. And there you have it, our crispy and juicy chicken popcorn, just like your favorite fast food snack, only here on Sankap Sarap TV. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes you can make at home. Comment below your favorite dipping sauce or what recipe you want to see next. Your idea might be featured in our next video. Thanks for watching Sankap Sarap TV, see you in the next recipe, and happy cooking!